So we arrived a couple hours ago to Thousand Trails in Hershey's. So far we like it. We have a beautiful site with plenty of room between us and our neighbors. Now we are going out to the Hershey Theater.
We're seeing Paw Patrol live.
Yeah, that's one of the cool things about it. Hershey is a very touristic place, so there is no shortage of things to do in the area. Right, honey? We are going to go watch the show, and later on we are going to give you our proper review of this park. So stay tuned.
And Paw Patrol Live.
Yeah.
I said that.
This is a really beautiful campground. I think out of the 1,000 trails that we've been to, this is probably the nicest. Very open and spacious, great sights, and everything just so well maintained here. Between the tennis courts and the mini golf and the lake and the bathhouses, it's just such a beautiful campground.
Everything works here, and everything looks just like in the photos. You know, when you go to a website and it looks great on the website, but then when you arrive it's like pictures taken 10 years ago. That was not the case here. What else?
They do have tennis courts. They have a mini golf course. They have a really nice playground. They have a sand volleyball pit.
Horseshoe?
They have horseshoes. They have activity building. They have like picnic areas. Even if you have like a group and you want to go, like there's a pavilion where you can have a picnic.
They have an arcade that has quite a few nice games for the kids, like Guitar Hero, stuff like that. The convenience store is quite nice. They have a lot of supplies, stuff that you need, and a ton of stuff that you don't need but your kids want, and you have to spend a lot of extra dollars in the store.
They have the ice cream, like the Hershey's.
Oh yeah, we are in Hershey territory, so of course they have Hershey ice cream there.
They have a spa that's for 16 and up, that's indoor. They have, of course, the big outdoor pool that we didn't get to use because we're here in April, but
yeah, the pool looks really big and looks like it's a nice pool. I'm sure that we could be here for a few days, and we are not going to run out of activities to do with the kids.
So we are in Hershey, PA, so there's a lot of things to do. Of course, there's the big amusement park, which is probably one of the biggest attractions here. We're not really there yet with our kids, so we skipped that. We went to Hershey Theater on Friday for Paw Patrol Live, which was riveting. And today we are headed to Chocolate World to take a tour of how they do make chocolate, some of the history of chocolate, and of course to try some chocolate.
Yeah, you can also, you pay a little extra and you can make your own candy bar, right?
They have other things to do there too, so we maybe will tell you about it later after we go.
Yeah, so as you can see, there's plenty to do in the area too. If you're thinking of vacationing around here, yeah, this is a very good place. So that's gonna do it for today. My name is Eli.
And I'm Fawn.
And I'm Ashton. And I'm
Arlo back there. I hope to see you in the next one. Take care.